Welcome to Aurum Transfers, Jamaica's gold standard in luxury transportation. From the moment you arrive, experience seamless elegance with our VIP airport concierge service, ensuring timely and comfortable transfers across Jamaica's golden corridors. Indulge in the comfort of our premium fleet, featuring executive-ready SUVs equipped with quilted Napa leather seats, climate control, sunroof, and onboard Wi-Fi, ensuring your ride is as relaxing as it is stylish. Whether you're heading to a luxurious resort, a private villa, or a high-powered meeting, Aurum Transfers guarantees punctuality, discretion, and a personalized experience tailored to your preferences. Every detail is meticulously curated to cater to your comfort and preferences, transforming your arrival into an experience, not just a drive. Elevate your Jamaican experience with Aurum Transfers, where every journey is a golden experience. Your journey, our commitment to excellence. Book your luxury transfer today and travel with distinction.